The Daily Code Snippet. What are microformats? Microformats are used to add more meaning to your HTML. When you use microformats, various kinds of computers can understand your website better. Some examples include search engines can understand your HTML and will allow better results. Browser extensions can be used to directly download information from your website into a user's contacts, calendar, and map apps. Users can subscribe to your website's feeds, such as blog posts, using feed readers. In addition to feeds and blog posts, microformats can be used for events, locations, reviews, recipes, resumes, and products. Here is an example. P class equals H-card in quotation marks. Span class equals P-name in quotation marks. Jane Doe. Nspan. Span class P-street-address in quotation marks. 123 State Street. Nspan. Span class equals P-locality in quotation marks. Anytown. Nspan, comma. Span class equals P-region in quotation marks. California. Nspan. Span class equals P-postal-code in quotation marks. 90210 Nspan. A class U-email in quotation marks. Href equals mail2:jane.doe@example.com in quotation marks. jane.doe@example.com. And A To understand the code, we need to talk about two attributes. The class attribute is added to an element generally for the purpose of being able to target that element for styling. The same class attribute can be applied to any element, but for microformats, the values are predefined. Whether the value has a U- or P- prefix is determined by the type of H-card information. The href attribute specifies the URL destination of a link. Note, the URL destination is mail2:jane.doe@example.com. Mail2: activates your email program to send an email. Let's review the code again so you can recall how the class and href attributes are used. Presented by Designers Learn Code.